Most beginners think paying rent is just a monthly headache, but one simple account system can stop panic in its tracks. Imagine knowing your rent is always covered, no matter what. Let's break it down. Starting your financial journey can feel overwhelming. Bills, rent, student loans, unexpected expenses, it all piles up, and for beginners, it's easy to feel like you're drowning. But here's the thing, most money stress comes from simple, fixable gaps in your system, not huge mistakes. Imagine the relief of never panicking about rent again. That's what we're covering today, a beginner-friendly 3-account setup that keeps your essentials safe and your money growing. Quick recap so far, financial stress isn't about how much you make, it's about how organized your money is. Let's start with mistake number 1, keeping all your money in one account. Picture Alex, late 20s, just starting his first full-time job. He deposits his paycheck into one checking account. Rent, groceries, streaming subscriptions, everything comes out of this one account. One surprise expense, and suddenly he's panicking. Why it matters: if your rent depends on a single account that's also funding pizza deliveries and random shopping sprees, you're always at risk of overdraft or late payments. Step-by-step fix: open a dedicated rent account. Only put enough money here to cover rent and utilities. Automate transfers each payday, set it and forget it. Keep this account separate from daily spending, so it's untouchable except for essentials. Trap to avoid: using debit card overdrafts or linking this account to apps that tempt you to spend. Recap: separate your essentials, automate, and never dip into it for snacks. Quick reset: if you do only one thing from this section, start by isolating rent money in its own account. Mistake number 2, neglecting an emergency fund. Even Alex's friend Jordan, who's disciplined with bills, ignored an emergency fund. One car repair later, and he had to borrow money at high interest, setting him back months. Why it matters: emergencies happen, and without a dedicated savings account, you're forced to raid your checking or take on debt. Step-by-step fix: open a high-yield savings account labeled Emergency Fund. Start small, even $25 per week adds up. For example, $25 per week in an index fund or savings grows to about $10,000 in 10 years. Automate transfers on payday. Make it invisible, so you don't miss it. Trap to avoid: putting your emergency fund in volatile investments or meme stocks. Accessibility and safety are key. Recap: small weekly contributions, automated, in a separate high-yield account, protect you from stress and debt. Mistake number 3, ignoring retirement accounts early. Alex thought retirement was decades away. But here's the truth: early contributions compound like magic. Missing an employer match is like leaving about $1,500 free each year on the table. Step-by-step fix: open a 401k if your employer offers it. Contribute at least enough to get the full match. For additional retirement, consider a Roth IRA, especially if your income is modest. Contributions grow tax-free. Automate contributions monthly. Treat it like a fixed bill. Trap to avoid: skipping retirement in favor of short-term splurges or chasing hot stocks. Quick reset: imagine Alex at 30 with $0 in retirement versus Alex with $10,000 already saved. The peace of mind is enormous. Mistake number 4, overcomplicating investments or panic selling. Even smart beginners fall for this. Mistake number 4 is the one even smart people fall for. We'll get there in a minute. Alex's friend tried day trading meme stocks. One week he doubled his money, the next week lost half. Emotional roller coaster, constant panic. Why it matters: emotional investing destroys long-term growth. Short-term swings feel dramatic but don't reflect long-term trends. Step-by-step fix: stick to low-cost index funds or diversified ETFs. Automate monthly contributions. No daily decisions required. Rebalance annually to maintain diversification. Trap to avoid: chasing trends, listening to friends about hot picks, panic selling during downturns. Recap: keep it simple, diversified, and automated. Your future self will thank you. Mistake number 5: neglecting health-related tax benefits like an HSA. Alex skipped it thinking, "I'm young, I don't need it." But HSA contributions are triple tax advantaged: pre-tax contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for qualified medical expenses. Step-by-step fix: open an HSA if you have a high-deductible health plan. Set up automatic contributions, even small ones. Let it grow: think of it as another long-term savings tool. Trap to avoid: using HSA for non-medical expenses before retirement, lose tax benefits. Quick reset: combining a dedicated rent account, an emergency fund, retirement accounts, and HSA creates a stress-proof system. Soft CTA: if you're learning, hit the like button to remember these tips. Automation is your friend here. Scheduling transfers the day you get paid removes temptation. Rent account? Covered. Emergency fund? Growing. Retirement? Compounding. HSA? Working silently in the background. Celebrating small wins is key. Picture your future self thanking you for starting today, even if it's just $25 a week or automating your first 401k contribution. Soft CTA: comment below which account you'll open first, it helps others start without stress. End video CTA: if this helped, hit subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance guides. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please consult a certified financial planner for personalized guidance.